How to fix voicemail is not working in Samsung A16. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on general management. After clicking on general management, then scroll down and click on reset. And here you can see the option reset mobile network settings. Now click on it and then again click on reset. And here you enter your PIN to reset your network settings. After reset your network settings, then go back and check your software update. And click on software update, and here you can check your software update. If it doesn't update the latest software, then update it to latest software. After that, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.